might take everyone through today is a breathing exercise, but combining the medicine wheel. I remember doing this 20 years ago in Sedona, Arizona. It's a beautiful energy vortex area, very high vibrational. And I did a ceremony with the Native Indians. And what we did was called in. Actually, let's do it together. What we're going to do is we start with the north first. So wherever your north is, stand in that direction, and you can put your hands in a prayer position and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Because what we're going to do is go around in a clockwise position, north, east, south, and west. We are combining the breath with connecting energetically to all four quarters of the world to send out this beautiful love and light energy to all our brothers and sisters around the world. If you are joining in, do this with me. So standing to facing your north, and take a deep breath in for the count of 5 and then breathe out for the count of 5. So deep breath in and breathe out. Now turn to the east and again, deep breath in and breathe out. Turn to your south, deep breath in and breathe out. Turn to the west, deep breath in and breathe out. And come back to the north. And just notice what you're feeling in your body in this moment. And you can close your eyes and just feel the energy as it moves through your body. And as you're standing there with both feet on the floor, just open up your crown chakra and just bring the beautiful cosmic energy down through the top of your head, all the way through your body, sending it down your grounding cord, connecting with Mother Earth. Say hello to Mother Earth Gaia and her unconditional love that she has for you. Wrap your grounding cord around the core of the earth and just feel that unconditional love from Mother Earth Gaia just come up through the soles of your feet like you're sucking up the energy like liquid in a straw. And just bring that up through the soles of your feet all the way to your heart. And just breathe in and out. Deep breaths in and out of your heart. And what this will do is regulate the heart coherence within your body, and also just feel your heart expanding. And what this will do is ripple out the beautiful love and light around our earth, around the globe, connecting with all the beautiful souls out there. Sending so much love and compassion and blessings to everybody. Okay, and just slowly coming back.